You are going to love 2010 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, anti-lock brakes, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.